Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to reset a Windows 7 user password. Set your computer to boot on a CD. Insert your Windows 7 installation CD in the CD drive. When you boot up the computer, you get the message press any key to boot to CD or DVD. Press a key. Choosing the language, press Next. Select Repair your computer. You will search for your Windows installation. Take note of the drive letter that for your Windows 7 install. Select Command Prompt. Now we're going to go to our Windows 7 installation folder. I'm just checking to make sure the two utility that we need there. YouTube man.exe, which is easy access, and command.exe. Rename the YouTube man.exe to another name. Then copy the command.exe to youtube-man.exe. Now reboot the PC. Now we boot into the Windows 7. Select the icon Ease of Access. It opens up a command prompt, which is the command that we just replayed before, cmd.exe. To see a list of users, type net space user. To change the user password, then just type net space user space the username and the new password. If the administrator account is not activated, then we can activate with this command. And you can change the administrator password with this command. I can log into the user that I just changed the password. Boot back into the Windows 7 installation CD. And do all the same steps until we get to the command prompt. We have to undo the YouTube man.exe that we replaced before. Delete the YouTube man.exe. Rename the YouTube man backup to current one. And reboot the computer. Now back into the Windows 7 login screen, you click on EF Access, you're gonna see that there's no more command prompt. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment below if this helpful for you to reset the Windows 7 user password. Please click a like if you like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and see you next video. Bye!